Kani kadega batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka orange nisan, lom so po niya fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Haka kat artarik manto benai rempang usnam arajar arpo. Kakan hon jong ka musisya International Music Examination Board. Kalayo ban pelong yaki Eksamin baperoper halam jingsha Youth Center kabaran hapok se Shillong. Haka ni kasngi lai don katru u Chief Executive Asia ka musisya International Music Examination Board Usindranath Majumdar ubalapan paru ya kajing dokumen halor kajing bon ki khna bar ki samla ki bala le bhai ki Eksamin baperoper haka pot katem bat ki badan ru ya kasap kapong ka bajanai haka ni ka Bynta. Nagalang uki representative ka Meghalaya Musisya International Music Examination Board uba meshash nongsteng ulong bakalong kai kai ke basutanat banyo ya kanikala banya trelang bat kanika kanhon haka joka por ula karpa ru yaki wei diki skol ban ai jingi kaya ka pot katem kanang ban kantieu yaki khon samla haka liang ka pot katem bat karwai ka siaw haka ni jela haka ni singi layo ban pelong yaki Eksamin baperoper kum haka piano acoustic guitar drum vocal, music theory, audio engineering, bat QA. Bat kinadan hadu prapongot kisamla kena kantai bat senrang na kaleng gajala Meghalaya kiblai Bynta hakini ki Eksamin.
Kemudian kita ke musisya International Music Examinations kini po Meghalaya Shillong ila stang nadu usnem arsa khatra balaran katu kat ni ki school ki balaya snok tilang balai affiliate lang bat kino hikai rukumjo bat ngaso kemen banitu ba hostem arja khandai ki school baki no hikai kladang buon ki bala affiliate di hostem arja art pop mentang la yo ben leben sekali exams ke ba kasi ke balai but ki kena buon le exams ki la buon nanta ki no hikai ba prepare na menta ki kena ru ki la buon but ngasu kwa paling ba kan channel jumpi ban su yawer lang ki perlo no hikai ki ba hikai music ba kumju kui baki music schools ki ban hapo ka ni ka jela jungi mungkin one ban snok ti ban affiliate lam kanika musisya international music exams namar tang ba kadika syllabus ba yarap ban prepare kina andre kadon pada kini ki benefits ba ki icon ko financial benefits ba professional benefits unta ki no hikai ba dam taki school kumjo hakapor ka bangidang sedang idan metang arli ba snok ti bani asa katra andre ko man ni so kemen bani thu ba how do system aja art ko ni hila ki hadu sport ki institutes private institutes ki bala snok tilang but hi no hikai la kumno la kumba live home e ki bala snok tilang bala affiliate ka musisya kene ka ba kom ngan chue tho hani ha center jung kene di kalam jing sha youth center kene hi kade ka examination center ne ka main center nam ta ka state of Meghalaya mening kong do bang affiliate di mangi te kala qualify ru bakan de ka examination center namar ba ka facilities ba infrastructure ne ka biang betla por ba ha por bagi one inspect.
After a day in exam in Assam, we are very happy to be in Shillong and having a fantastic batch of students, candidates for this session of examination. Since last year, the examinations candidates has also increased and we can see that more and more teachers are also participating in the exams. I feel very happy with the quality of music education out here and I wish best luck to all the teachers, music schools and the music students out here. All the very best.